Well, folks, right now we're in Sylacauga City Hall. We got some business to take care. But it's a small city in Alabama. It's like Fort Wayne, Decatur, like that. And it's really good. Look at that. Sylacauga. It's a small town, but very nice. You got North folks out there. They got their library. Nice library. Nice people. All right. And we just come in from over there too. Right here, we got this one was in memory of Mayor Sam Wright. This tree is planted in memory of Sam Wright, mayor of Sylacauga. Let's go walk around over there, see what's going on. I'm just waiting for my stepdaughter. She gets out from the court. I hope the judge will give her a tougher sentence. But it'll be okay. All right, let's go right here. Yeah, you got Sherwin-Williams. You got, of course, Sylacauga Municipal Hall Complex, really nice. Got some little stuff here. This is downtown Sylacauga. Nice. Look at all this. Very beautiful. Just walk around, see what's up. I'm gonna get a burger here. There's a Burger King. Nice town. Very nice. Same thing made out in USA. You got the utility board there. Very nice. And it's a good place to, if you wanna. Oh, the lights took the light to change here. But it's a good place. But I'm still wearing my mask just in case. All right. Let's see. Nobody's coming. It's a small town. Let's break the law here a little bit. It's a stop. Oh, that's all right. I'm a tourist. Nice place. Sylacauga. We got barber shop over there. I might come back. Oh, this is their little, like Sherwin-Williams. Sherwin. Woo! I'm gonna take my mask. All right, I'm gonna take my mask a little bit because it's killing me a little. All right, we got the little things there. Look at that. Nice. Well, what is this? Is this a bar? Woo! All right, this is a bar, but it's closed for now. It's open, but we got it's a restaurant. Oh, this is good. It's a little restaurant, open for lounge. Oh, Mexican restaurant. What is it called? What is it called? La Costa. La Costa. La Costa. Nice restaurant. I don't want to eat there. But anyway, yeah. Alpha Insurance. This is downtown Sylacauga. I call it Sylacauga. Yeah, it's really nice. Ooh, bonding. They got the daily sandwich. Oh, these. Yeah, that's a nice. Yeah, they have one table. Yeah. Oh, this is for lease here. This is good. Yeah, but anyway, this is like Decatur, Indiana. It's just set up like Decatur, Indiana. Yeah, and then Birmingham is the the Fort Wayne, Indiana, and then because it's going to the east, so this will be, um, Decatur here. But anyway, you got all kinds of tuxedo. Whoa, they're painting this place. Whoa, yeah. Oh, nice, nice building there. They're trying to remodel this building here. Oh man, this is good. Yes, look at that. He's a hardworking man. Yeah, you can't find anybody right now. One person working the whole big building. Yes, nice. Oh, another barber shop out there. Well, this one goes on that side. Oh, I hope this is a bar. I don't know. It looks like nice. Set up. Oh, it's a bar. No, no, it's not. Nice. Go all the way. Oh, still. It's nice today. Well, folks, I think this is it. This is Sylacauga. I'm gonna go back there because my stepdaughter might be gone. It's out already. So let me go back. Looks nice. Oh, nice. It's really nice out here, Very nice. Sylacauga. Yeah. And then you got all that right there. It's really nice. Yes. It's really nice. Yeah. It's a very nice place. Yeah. Well, we got a Jeep here. All right. That's good. Let's go back, but let's go on the other side. Looks nice. Yeah. Yeah, this is nice. Local deliveries. It's all right there. Let's walk on this side. It's really a nice place, man. Whoa, real nice. Maybe next time when I come back here, this is done. But anyway, let's go back. All right, folks. Sylacauga. How you doing, sir? Sylacauga. Yes. All right, guys. We'll see you next time. This is it, Sylacauga.